Hello everyone, my name is Masaru Nagatsuka, or just call me Masa. I'm from Japan and a graduate of 2024. Thank you for attending the GMBA online information session today. Let me introduce my career journey. My career started as a sales, handling textile used for the automotive industry. After 3 years of domestic sales experience in Nagoya, I moved to Suzhou, mainland China, to take a role as an international sales manager. There, I was managing my own sales team and also taking care of key accounts in China, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and Pakistan. Later, I decided to pause my career and join the NTU GMBA program. After graduation, I moved to Sendai, Japan, and now I am working as a management consultant. So why did I take a break in my career and join MBA? I was considering taking an MBA program for two reasons when I was in Suzhou. First, I had been working only as a sales for the same company since I graduated from college. So I wanted to broaden my perspective of business. For example, different functions, different industries, and different regions. Second reason, my partner was back then looking for a new job in another city and perhaps in another country. So I thought having an MBA degree in English would help me become more flexible and open to different needs arising from our future life. To meet those demands, NTU GMBA program seemed to me an ideal option. First, the program is available in English, and at the same time, I could immerse myself in an environment where I could brush up my Mandarin and get hands-on knowledge about international business in Asian context. Second, the rich network within and outside of the campus and the classmates from diverse backgrounds enabled me to have a clear image of different career paths. And last but not least, GMBA program offers exchange programs with a lot of universities worldwide. So here's the next question. Is NTU GMBA program really helpful for my career in hindsight? The answer is yes, as you may have expected, but here is why. First, through the conversation with my classmates from the consulting industry, I got the basic idea of how a consulting job works and how interesting it is. It was a turning point of my career. And second, business case competition during the NTU GMBA study were great opportunities for me to practice analysis and the presentation to solve a business problem, which are necessary skills to land a consulting job. The feedback from international judges and competitors were also helpful in understanding different communication styles from my own culture, which became a unique selling point back in the domestic labor market. And last, as I'm organizing the GMBA alumni community in Japan, I have a chance to meet new GMBA students regularly. It helps me to build networks even after I graduated and returned to my own country. Here, I want to answer a few frequently asked, more specific questions that might help future students to have a clear image of postgraduate career and life. First question is, how did the GMBA program help me expand my professional network and how did I benefit from it? One of the most valuable benefits of MBA is that you have exposure to different industries, regions, and problems that you might have never experienced in your past career. Access to support from various professionals and insights from classmates with different backgrounds are really eye-openers. The quality and the depth of the exposure are unique to the GMBA program since you are involved in a project where you face a completely new challenge and need to solve it as a team. Next question is, in what way did the GMBA program influence my career trajectory or open up new opportunities? The GMBA program offers a lot of interactions with professionals outside of the campus. This is a picture from one of our company visits. From the company visits, you can learn about the different industries and the markets. Sometimes you may even find a future career opportunity. If you are an international student like me, it is also interesting to know the difference of the market situation or working style from your own country or culture. Also, learning how English-speaking expats live their lives in Taiwan can be a good lesson or reference for your future career options. The next question is, how has the GMBA program contributed to my personal development or life outside of work? Not only for your professional career development, GMBA serves as a platform where you can pursue your personal interests as well. GMBA is a community for those who want to change their life by trying something new. Here, it's very likely that something you have ever wanted to try but never managed to realize is also an interest of someone else. When I was a student, I joined a bike tour and GMBA band as a bassist. I found an atmosphere of GMBA very encouraging and supportive, which enriches both my professional career and private life. This is the last question. How did the GMBA program support me after graduation, and how have I continued to benefit from the alumni network? Currently, our GMBA Alumni Association appointed advisors in each country who organizes a local group of alumni, students, future students. In Japan, we had our first gathering in Tokyo with 13 people of alumni, current students, and future students. It is still an ongoing process, but I am benefiting more by getting connected to more people in Japan. It's great to have a professional community besides your own company that brings advice, new opportunities, or various mutual supports. The community continues to evolve as long as we want it, and I think it is one of the biggest returns from the investment in GMBA. This is the QR code for GMBA community website for those who live in Japan or seek information in Japanese, just for your information. This is the end of my presentation. I hope from my presentation you found something interesting and beneficial to your future decision making and future career. The photo is my very last day in Taiwan when I took an MRT to Taoyuan International Airport with my degree in my hand. I believe GMBA opened a new path for my life and then equipped me with what it takes to move on to the next chapter in my life. The life in GMBA should not be a goal of your life, but one of the milestones to achieve your goal. Through your own research and consideration, if you find that GMBA is the path you need in order to achieve your goal, I highly recommend the GMBA program to reach it with the support of the growing community of like-minded people with diversity. Thank you very much for your attention.